Maggie and Jen, your business relationship managers at REcolorado, and one of our goals is to give you access to the most complete and comprehensive data. In order to do this, REcolorado forms strategic partnerships with realtor associations and MLSs throughout the state. And now we have a really new and exciting data exchange and integration agreement with IRES. While this is not the same old data share agreement we've had in the past, it is much more robust, and we're excited to tell you about the details today.
Since the announcement, Maggie and I have visited offices up and down the Front Range to talk about our partnership and the new agreement. We've received some great questions. Today, we want to walk through the most common questions we're receiving and what the partnership means for you and your business. We have two great guests from REcolorado joining us today, Stacy Wood, Vice President, Chief Product Officer, and Jennifer Adair, Director of Product Management.
Yeah, Stacy and Jen, we're so excited to have you with us. Stacy, I mentioned that this is not the same old data share agreement that we had in the past. So can you tell us what that means and what this data share looks like?
Yes, sure. This is definitely a different arrangement. We've built a strong partnership with IRES, stronger than we've ever had, and we're working hand in hand with them to exchange the data and integrate the data. So the partnership will provide brokers of both MLSs with access to more data. The data will not only be integrated into REcolorado Matrix, it'll also be available in the products that we all know and love, the products that are integrated with Matrix.
This is such exciting news. So beyond seeing listings in REcolorado Matrix, tell us more about the integrated products you mentioned and where brokers using REcolorado will see IRES listing data.
Sure. So both REcolorado and IRES agreed that providing brokers with data beyond the MLS systems would be of more value. So the partnership, of course, includes REcolorado Matrix. So brokers are able to share listings with their clients using the Matrix client portal and auto emails. But this time, IRES data will also be integrated with REcolorado.com and the REcolorado app, which gives brokers a chance to view a more complete set of listings with their clients. And then also different from our previous agreement is IRES data will be available in the integrated products that our subscribers use every day. So like Cloud CMA, Showing Time, InfoSparks, Fast Stats, and all the others that are integrated.
That's wonderful. So this goes well beyond just the MLS systems for each organization. Jennifer, can you tell us a little bit about what listing data specifically is included in this exchange of information?
Sure. Both organizations felt that providing access to the broadest set of data is really the best way to position brokers and appraisers. The property types that are included include residential for sale, residential income, land, and farm. Commercial is not included at this time, and some of the non-MLS listing types also are not included. That includes timeshare, mobile home, manufactured, business opportunity, and rental. Will have access to closed listings that have been sold in the past 3 years, expired listings that have expired within the past 3 years, and then all of the great visual information. So photographs, any images, video recordings, virtual tours, all of that great information.
Wonderful. That's going to be really helpful for brokers to pull together CMAs and send listings to their clients. So can you tell us, one of the most common questions we receive from brokers when we're out in the field is, when can we expect to see both sets of listing data in the MLS systems? So can you tell us the date?
I can't tell you a date quite yet, but that is one of the most common questions I'm getting these days. We and the IRES team are working very closely together to make the listings available in our respective MLS systems at the same time. There's a lot of work behind the scenes to make this happen, and so we anticipate the data being available in the MLS systems in the fourth quarter. We then expect IRES listings to be available in the REcolorado app shortly after that, and we'll be working with our vendors and partners to ensure the data is available in our other integrated products.
That's awesome. Q4 is upon us, so it's right around the corner. It's so exciting that we will see both REcolorado and IRES data in Matrix. And Jennifer, another question Maggie and I are hearing is about our Reso certification. Recently, REcolorado earned their Platinum Reso certification, which made our MLS compliant with the data dictionary. So shouldn't that make it easier to exchange data with other MLSs?
Yes, last year, REcolorado did earn platinum certification of our native matrix database from Reso. And so that means that our native system, or the fields that brokers see every day, match the field names that their vendors see. We're actually getting a feed directly from IRES's system so that we can map as much information and as many fields as possible to ensure that brokers get the best results for their clients. A lot of the work is actually in testing the translated data. To ensure that we deliver brokers with high quality tools, we have a product team that manages all of the products offered to REcolorado subscribers and a quality assurance team that does extensive testing on our products, services, and the data.
Great. That sounds like everyone's working together really well. I know REcolorado is focused on forming partnerships statewide to bring brokers and appraisers more data. Stacey, you're very involved with forming these partnerships. And will any other associations or MLS be included in data integration?
So this data exchange and integration partnership is just between REcolorado and IRES, but we are actively communicating with realtor associations and MLSs throughout the state to form partnerships that benefit all Colorado brokers. So whether we're serving as an MLS vendor or exchanging data to be integrated into the MLS systems, we're open to any partnership.
That's great. Can you expand on that a little bit more? How does REcolorado work with these different realtor associations, MLS organizations to form partnerships, or what types of partnerships?
So sure, we have partnerships with Grand County, Grand Junction, Royal Gorge, and Vail Board of Realtors to display their members' listings on our public-facing website, recolorado.com. And then all the leads from recolorado.com are sent directly to the listing broker. So this partnership is called Your Listing, Your Lead. Then we also have another partnership where we serve as the MLS vendor for Realtors of Central Colorado and Steamboat Springs Board of Realtors. Through this partnership, we manage their MLS as well as their association's compliance, any data feeds, got their customer service and training, and much more. And then to increase collaboration throughout the state, as well as to maintain REcolorado as an MLS that is designed by our customers, we've extended open invitations to realtor associations to join our Rules and Regs Committee. And then we currently have members from the Fort Collins Board of Realtors who sit on that committee. And then, of course, we have the data exchange and integration partnership like we have with IRES.
Wow, there's a lot of options to partner with REcolorado, which is great. This brings me to the next commonly asked question. Do I still need multiple MLS subscriptions?
Yes, that's a very common question, but that's a question only brokers can answer based on their business model. We work very hard to be the best MLS partner we can be. And because there are so many different business models, our goal is to offer a broad set of products and services along with the most comprehensive data so that brokers have all the tools they need to run the business their way. So from Remine, which is a data mining tool, to LionDesk CRM, to eProperty Watch, a home value and equity tool, we have partnerships to offer products to brokers they can trust. So, and then of course we have the REcolorado Matrix and the REcolorado app, which are both very powerful tools.
Yes, Matrix has tons of features to help brokers run their business. Speaking of Matrix, Matrix is about to get an update with some enhancements to bring a more modern look and feel. Jennifer, we know there are many benefits to entering listings directly into REcolorado Matrix. And will you tell us about some of your favorites?
Sure. So the product team at REcolorado has worked with our subscribers to customize REcolorado Matrix to work for the Colorado broker and appraiser. It has many fields to describe properties specifically, which really helps home buyers. It also has lots of built-in features and integrations that let you accomplish so much without even having to open another program. For example, it has a built-in CMA and Realist Public Records directly integrated with Matrix. Some of my favorite benefits actually come from reverse prospecting and the client collaboration portal. Matrix users can use reverse prospecting to get a list of brokers that have clients looking for a listing just like theirs. They can then market that listing directly to the broker. The client collaboration portal makes it really easy to stay in touch with clients during their home search, and we also hear that your clients love it because it is so easy to use. Matrix will be getting a refresh soon that includes an updated contact management page that will make it even easier for brokers to stay in touch with clients and follow their home buying or selling process. So make sure you watch weekly news from REcolorado and check our professionals blog for more information.
That's really helpful. I know brokers and appraisers find a lot of benefit from looking at listings in REcolorado because we have so much listing coverage throughout the state. What do you predict is our percentage of listing coverage once we have IRES data integrated into REcolorado Matrix?
Great question. Once the data integration with IRES goes live, REcolorado Matrix and the REcolorado app will have over 85% of the state's listings available. Both REcolorado Matrix and the REcolorado app provide branding options for brokers, keeping the broker at the forefront of each transaction.
Wow, that's fantastic to have REcolorado.com and the REcolorado app include more than 85% of the state's listings. It's a great set of data for your clients. Both tools allow brokers to stay at the center of the transaction for both their buying and selling clients. And we are always looking for ways to form additional partnerships and opportunities with realtor associations and MLSs statewide so that we can provide all of you with the most comprehensive and accurate set of listing data that helps you run your business more efficiently. And we're excited about this new partnership with IRES.
Yes, to learn more, make sure you attend an upcoming training class. A couple great classes to get you started are Matrix Accessing What You Want and Matrix Communication Tools. If you have any other questions or need more information, ask your managing broker to invite Maggie or I to an upcoming virtual sales meeting. Our goal is to make certain you have all the information you need to get the most value from REcolorado. Stacy and Jen, thank you so much for joining us. We are all very excited for the collaboration between REcolorado and fellow MLSs to erase the artificial boundaries and provide more data to our customers. Thank you for joining us.